here are tonight's.
If I could watch only one game this week, I think this would be the one.
Both of these teams have some great competitors on their roster, so look for some great individual efforts throughout this game.
He's looking to make the entry pass.
And if they can get it in there, they have a good chance of scoring.
Dishes off to Thomas. He comes away with it to McGrady. This man is a force of nature.
And you're not going to stop that.
The assist to Tracy McGrady.
Francis will bring it up court. He takes the jumper. Off target. Coleman makes the offensive rebound. Hill with the fake. Williams with the defensive foul. There are a lot of long faces on that bench.
I'm not sure I'd call them long.
Angry, irritated, frustrated.
That's closer.
He'll bring it up court. This player definitely has the skills to create for himself.
And that's why he wants the ISO.
He drains the shot. Pump fakes. Powers it down with a two-handed jam.
The assist to number 1, Tracy McGrady.
Franchise knows how to score, we know that, but he can also dish the ball when he needs to.
I'm sure by the end of the night, we will see some sweet passes from him.
He suckered the defense, then dished it off. Strips the ball. Hill goes up. Not there. Puts up the rainmaker. Mobley buries the three-pointer.
The assist to Steve Francis.
He fakes the shot. Passes off to Davis. Pulls the trigger. Mobley collects the rebound. Francis initiates the offense.
You're right.
He didn't like the shot he had coming off the screen, so he improvised. The rest of the team gave him some room to operate. Batted away by Hill. Gives it off to Weber. To the Diesel. He fakes. Pass to Hill. Swatted away by Mobley.
Out of bounds. Orlando ball.
7 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Mobley picks up the defensive foul.
That's his first personal team foul, number 2.
McGrady goes to the line, shooting 1.
Tracy McGrady.
Foul shot is good. Launches the three. Thomas makes the offensive rebound. Got it.
They should consider fouling in those situations.
To Hill. To the Diesel. Thomas buys the shot fake.
The assistant, number 33, Grant Hill.
He sets up the play. McGrady with the foul. This is a smart player we're watching.
He's been around the game long enough to know when he's being overplayed.
Davis is charged with the foul.
That's his first.
Francis gets it.
Now in the penalty.
He hits his second. O'Neal gets his man in the air. Thomas grabs it. When they spread their offense, it gives him the room he needs to operate.
Really makes a tough draw on the defender.
T-Mac is one of the most exciting players in the league right now.
Here's a guy down that has the ability to alley-oop to himself with sick dunks. Not too many players can do that.
To O'Neal.
C-Web's the complete package. He's got skill, speed, strength, and size.
McGrady is whistled for the defensive foul. Mobley should be automatic from the line.
Shooting 1.
Gets it.
Coutinho Mobley.
With the nice shot fake, stolen. He's got the 2-on-1 and is pushing the ball up in the to Weber. He fakes the shot. To Hill. Passes off to Davis. He hits the three.
The assist to Shaquille O'Neal.
If they can run a few isolation plays for him, he'll come up with points. Blocked by T-Mac. Williams feels they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try and exploit it.
For three. The assist to number 5, Latino Mobley.
O'Neal pump fakes. That was an unbelievable 180 dunk.
The assist to number 34, Shaquille O'Neal.
One-on-one, this player's hard to stop. Steal. He's not slowing down the tempo of this game. Williams with the foul. Hill goes to the line, shooting 2. Sinks it. Foul shot is good. After one, the Magic lead the Rockets 21-19. The first quarter didn't quite go the way they'd hoped.
But they saw a lot of good things from some of their players. If you want my advice, go back to those guys and see what else they can get.
You got to watch that player when he isolates his man.
Out of bounds. Houston ball.
The officials are calling this one pretty close tonight.
Very close. The player's trying to see if he can buy himself some room out there.
That's it away.
Out of bounds.
Doc Rivers wants to make sure the official knows that he's watching the game too. Francis wants to try and work it into the post here. Goes up. Shot blocked by Shaq. To O'Neal. Fakes the shot. Sends it to McGrady. To Hill. Mr. High Riser. He sure threw that one down with authority. Francis is trying to run some plays for the big men to get some production in the paint. Rejection. After he drove past the screen, the passing lane was wide open.
The assist to Most John knockball.
Gives it off to Weber. Baron Davis proves game after game why he's an all-star. He's the leader of this team.
Clearly, that player was more than he could handle, Don.
Takes his jumper.
Out of bounds. Houston ball. Into the game for the Houston Rockets. Number 2, Maurice Taylor.
If you keep hustling like that, you'll be able to get some steals.
Hill fakes the shot to Davis. Sends it to Hill. To T-Mac. Tosses it into Weber. He puts it up. Got it.
This guy's making it look way too easy.
The Magic are up by 6. Backing his man down. No Taylor for 2. Houston trails by 4. O'Neal with the fake. Gives it off to O'Neal. He's been wide. Francis will bring it up court. Davis with the steal. To T-Mac. To T-Mac. To C-Web. Dishes off to Hill. Pass to Davis. McGrady takes the jumper. Knocks down the 3. That gives him 8 points.
Number 1, Baron Davis.
With the nice shot fake.
Out of bounds. Houston ball. Into the game for the Rockets.
10 on the shot clock.
Moochie Norris. And number 23, Mitch Richmond.
He threw that one down hard.
The assist to Aaron Davis.
Richmond pump fake. Misses from outside. Hill makes the finger roll.
Orlando is lighting them up like a pinball machine going full tilt.
Norris is trying to get the ball into the post area.
They can get points in the paint. It may open up the outside shot.
Steele. Pushing the ball up court now. To Weber with the nice shot fake. Passes off to Hill. Looks at the three. T-Mac buries the shot. That's a 10-0 run. Orlando is like a freight train running out of control right now.
And the defense doesn't know how to stop it.
Shoots. That was good. Hill pump fakes. To T-Mac. That was a rookie mistake, Bob.
Donnie had his head down on the play and it got him into trouble.
42, Walt Williams. And number 21, Kenny Thomas.
The Magic are using a lot of energy on defense.
They might need a breather soon.
Finger roll. That gives him 11 points. That's a 12-0 run. Looks like they want to go inside.
They think they can definitely get some points from down low.
Swatted away by O'Neal. Davis is
one,
whistled for the
Aaron
foul.
Davis.
Thomas
That's
could
the
probably
foul.
get that percentage up with a little practice.
Into the game for the Rockets.
Thomas misses them both. No need to rush this possession.
These guys want to be the last ones touching the rock.
O'Neal fakes the shot. Into Weber. No. O'Neal makes the offensive rebound. Houston needs to recommit to their defense.
They've got some good defensive players on the floor. They just need to get fired up.
His teammates are giving him room for the ISO.
When he gets the room, he can really operate.
At the half, the Magic lead the Rockets 41-23. There's a reason that they're down at half, and it's their defensive intensity.
For the most part, they've done a pretty decent job on D, but you're right. There's been some lapses, and it's definitely costly.
Steal. Bob, I think we owe it to our fans to show that one again. Gives it off to Francis. Puts up the Rainmaker. Misses the three. O'Neal takes the board. Now that's what I call a power jam. Orlando decreases their lead to 22.
Number 34, Shaquille O'Neal.
He passed on the shot so that he could set up another player. To Francis. Strips the ball. Weber misses the Rainmaker.
Out of bounds. Rockets ball.
The Cat with the J. O'Neal grabs it. And with the 2-on-1 fast break opportunity.
We're seeing some tired players out there, Don.
The coach needs to bring in some new legs. Mobley lets it fly.
They know he's a shooter, so they better keep a man close to him all the time.
To O'Neal. Weber picks up the offensive foul.
Offensive foul to number 4, Chris Weber.
Coleman shoots. Nails the J. That gives him 6
The
points.
assist to number 3, Steve Francis.
It's stolen. Dishes off to Francis. To Mobley. He puts up the jumper. Block shot. With the fake. With the jumper. Weber picks it out of the air. To Hill. Pass to McGrady. To O'Neal. Stolen. To Francis. Davis with the steal. To T-Mac. He gets his defender in the air. Mobley grabs it to Francis. He sets it up on the left side. Fake shot blocked by Davis. To Thomas. He spins. Batted away by O'Neal. To O'Neal with the fake. To the Diesel. Puts it up. Hill drains the shot. He's now got 13 points.
2 minutes to go in the third quarter.
They're going to try and get the ball to the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it might open up the outside side.
Got it.
He's got his game face on for this one.
I can't remember the last time he missed. There's the fake. That was a slick two-handed jam. Orlando increases their lead to 21. Deflects the shot. From three-point land.
Out of bounds. Rockets ball.
Blocked by Weber. To Shaq. Davis with the fake. To Weber. Pass to McGrady. For three. Davis hits it.
When it comes to shooting, this man is unstoppable.
Francis is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Thomas fakes the shot. Rejects it. Anytime he can get the isolation, his eyes light up. They're looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Coleman goes up. Swatted away by Seaway. Francis with a 24-second violation. Fakes it to T-Mac. Takes the shot. O'Neal grabs the offensive ball. Thomas is called for the foul. That's a 7-0 run.
In the final 2 minutes.
Foul shot, no good. Thomas with the board. Unloads a three. Weber collects the rebound. Shakes his defender with a nice little crossover. Pass to Weber. With the nice shot fake. To Hill. To Davis. To the Diesel. He shoots. He drains the jumper. That's a 9-0 run. Orlando increases their lead to 28. Tries the three. Francis, no good. At the end of the third, Orlando is up 58-30. What a game these guys have played.
This has been their night, Don. Over the first 3 quarters, I think you can count the mistakes they've made on one hand.
To Hill. To Weber. He lets it fly. That's what they need from him tonight.
Every time they get a short shot like that, it means their offense is working.
Francis takes the shot. Thomas takes the offensive board.
Has he got game? You bet he does.
Tosses it into Hill. Blocked by Williams. Puts up the tray. No. Thomas picks it out of the air. Williams is called for the offensive foul.
Offensive foul. Williams.
To O'Neal. To T-Mac. Got it.
Another made basket from in deep, and their coach can't believe they keep giving them up.
To Francis. He puts up the jumper. Hill gets the board. Orlando quickly back the other way. Mr. High Riser. He sure threw that one down with authority. Francis will bring it up court. They feel they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try to exploit it. To Wing. He takes the jumper.
Out of bounds. Rockets ball Into the game for the Rockets.
10 seconds to
Number
get it
9,
off.
Bojan Knockball.
Strips the ball. If you want to go by the number of steals, this team has been an offensive powerhouse tonight. With the nice shot fake, we're seeing the post players trying to establish position.
He's looking for the entry pass so he can go to work now.
Stolen.
Their transition game fizzled out.
Brady puts it up. Thomas takes the rebound. That's 6 points for the former first-round pick. Francis now has 6 points. To Hill. To Davis. He fakes. I thought he was going to tear down the rim with that two-handed jam. That gives him 16 points. He is such a tough assignment on defense.
And when he can lure you into a one-on-one showdown, you know he's going to cross you up.
Shot blocked by O'Neal. Thomas takes the jumper.
They haven't been able to stop him yet tonight, but they're going to have to find a way if they want to win. If these guys won't get back on D, there's a lot of guys on the bench who will.
This isn't the kind of player who needs 3 picks and a pass to score.
Just give him the rock and get out of his way.
Hill pump fakes to Webb. Sliding in with a double pump slam. My, that's how you finish. He'll bring it up court. Francis, good fake. They need to get settled down out there.
You don't want just any shot. You want the right shot for the right play.
Slapping it down with a windmill dunk. That gives him a game-high 21 points. To Knockball. Strips the ball. And now they're coming back the other way. To Hill. Fires away.
Out of bounds.
I think the player knew he got caught.
Oh, definitely. He had his hand in the cookie jar up to the elbow, but there's no way he's going to admit it.
To Webb. Dishes off to Hill. He comes up empty. Thomas takes the rebound. That gives him 7 rebounds. With the nice shot fake.
Out of bounds. Rocket ball.
Williams will try for 3. O'Neal pulls it down.
His team needs him to challenge like that now.
Williams gets the board. Do you think they can pull off a comeback? It's not too late.
Don, please. There's no 40-point shot in this game.
Williams gets that one.
For 3. The assist to Cuttino Mobley.
To Weber. The fake. Gives it off to Davis. To Weber. To Hill. Mr. High Riser, he sure threw that one down with authority. That's 12 points for the former LSU Tiger. Pass to Mobley. To the franchise. Up with the shot. O'Grady collects the rebound. Takes the jumper. Hill with the 2. Back on D. Francis wants to try and work it into the post here. Weber boards it. Get it off. Launches the 3. The final score, Orlando 76, Houston 49.